A hotspot is an invisible array, mainly used for interaction or as an anchor link. Drag a hotspot to the location where you want to trigger the interaction. Then we add a click interaction to it to open a new page. Then we drag 3 hotspots to 3 title areas, named Case 1, Case 2, and Case 3. Then add click interaction to the top Case 3 tab. Add a scroll to widget anchor link action. Select Case 3 hotspot in the target drop list. Set 200 ms linear animation. Preview the prototype. When mouse moves to the area where interaction is set, the mouse pointer changes to a hand, indicating that the area can trigger interaction. Then, by clicking on it, we open a new page. Go back to the previous page. When we click on the Case 3 tab, the screen scrolls to the title of Case 3.